Ever feel lost when it comes to which way to strum? Getting the right strumming direction is the key to making your playing sound smooth, natural, and effortless instead of stiff or choppy. In this lesson, I'll show you a simple system to always know when to strum down and when to strum up, so you can lock into the groove of any song without second guessing yourself. Real quick, if you don't already know who I am, my name's Wade Collins and I run Guitar Fastlane, a worldwide online guitar school. I've been playing, performing, teaching, and writing songs for over 20 years. I've played on many stages, in bands, and solo, and even recorded and mixed albums. But enough about me, let's get to the lesson. So the golden rule of strumming patterns is that you want to keep a steady strumming rhythm with your elbow. Your elbow should always be going down and up in time with the metronome, the backing track, or the drummer, whatever you're playing along with. So this elbow should always be going in time, just like a metronome. So if you've seen the old school metronomes, you know that they swing back and forth like this, and your elbow should be doing the same thing in time with the song. So with that said, when you're looking at a strumming pattern, let's say it starts on a down strum, your arm should always be going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Even if you're not hitting the strings on a certain strum, you want to keep your elbow moving steady like that. So a great way to look at this is to look at the steady down up strumming pattern. So if we lay our fingers flat across the strings to mute them, like this, and we play along, you'd count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now let's compare that to the universal strumming pattern, which is down, down, up, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Hey, if you're enjoying this lesson, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It helps me know what to create for you next. Thanks so much, and let's get back into it. Now, if you didn't have the rhythm roadmap, you might be wondering, how do I know which way I should strum when I'm playing the strumming pattern? With the down-up strumming pattern, it's nice and simple. You know, okay, down, up, down, up, down, up. That makes sense. But what about the universal strumming pattern? Well, the easiest way to look at this is to compare the two side by side. You can see if you're looking at the down-up strumming pattern, obviously you're strumming down, up the whole time. Now with the universal strumming pattern, if you filled in the blank spaces in this rhythm roadmap, you'd see that it would still be down, up the whole time. The only difference is that you're not strumming some of the beats. Down, up, 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 down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. So if you weren't listening and you weren't looking too closely, you'd probably think that I'm just playing the straight down up strumming pattern, but I'm not. I'm actually skipping some of those strums by slightly lifting my forearm so that I don't hit the strings. So I just kind of bring my arm out like this, and then that makes it so I can still follow through with the strumming motion without hitting them on certain beats. So what's a good way you can practice this? Well, a great way to do it is with the metronome. So you start up your metronome, play it at 50 beats per minute, and try taking out a beat here or there. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's the first beat removed. Let's try taking out the second beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now let's try taking out the third beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now let's take out the fourth beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's a great exercise you can do to work with the metronome and start with your simple down up strumming pattern, doing down up the whole time for the 4/4 count, and then start taking out one beat at a time. Try taking out the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Just take out a single strum, and then once you're comfortable doing that, try taking out two different strums. Just choose two random strums from the simple down up strumming pattern, pull those out, and try playing it. This is a great exercise to help you with skipping beats, whether they're the first strum, the third strum, sixth strum, doesn't matter. You want to keep that steady strumming elbow, and once you're comfortable with this, you're going to notice a huge difference in your strumming and rhythm. You're going to sound so much more professional and smooth and steady. You've made it this far, so I know you're serious about improving your guitar skills. Why not keep the momentum going? Hit subscribe to make sure you don't miss our future lessons, and then click on your next lesson right here. I think you'll love it. I'll see you over there.